First thing that I really want to mention here is that if you want to start your content creation, if you want to do blogging, if you want to, start with your video creation, please start it right now. Hi, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing amazing and are safe. So if you're seeing me for the first time, hi, my name is Ishita and I make videos related to fashion, beauty, lifestyle, anything and everything that comes to my mind basically. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that and also press that bell notification so that you are posted every time I upload a new video. Having said that, we'll now read by the title of the video. Today's video is going to be about how I shoot my videos on my phones. So the phone that I have is Redmi Note 7 Pro. It's a normal Android phone. All my videos is being shot and edited on this phone itself. So everything that you see on my channel is being shot and edited by me and on this phone only. So without much ado, we'll jump into the video. So the first thing that I really want to mention here is that if you want to start your content creation, if you want to do blogging, if you want to, start with your video creation, please start it right now. I mean, just start speaking in front of the camera. Do not think that यार ये नहीं है मेरे पास, क्वालिटी नहीं अच्छी होगी, मैं कैसी लगूंगी या मैं कैसी लगूंगा, मेरे पास अच्छे बैकड्रॉप्स नहीं है, मेरे पास अच्छा ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है, यार ये सब बार आते रहेंगे. See from this perspective, okay, that you want to do this today, but you're not doing it because you're thinking that what will others say, how will I look and how will everything be online. But just see, kuch time pehle, a few years back, the competition was so less. The competition online was so less. Now the competition is so much. You cannot, you have to stand out from the crowd. So it gets difficult to stand out really because everybody is doing things like these, right? So few years down the line, again, the competition will be more. I mean, you can't even think how the competition will be like, and people are actually talented. Everybody is talented. Everybody is super talented. So the competition is huge and you need to stand out the crowd. So do not think यार मैं कैसे लगूंगा, मेरे पास ये नहीं है, मेरे पास वो नहीं है, ये सब बहाने होते हैं. Please start कर दो अभी. Think that what others will see, you will never gonna prosper. That is one. So if you want to start it, kar do start. Stop thinking about the phone, anything. I know I have blabbered a lot about that. I'm so sorry for it. But that is a pep talk that you need. I'll be talking to you about certain things that you need to start off with your YouTube journey or YouTube channel. First things first is of course your phone. So any phone that you have, any Android or iPhone or any smartphone that you have will work. Just go on to the video option and start shooting, start speaking. That will be it. Second thing that you probably need here is a tripod. Now I know we can also stack books and other things to actually, keep our phone so that it does not move. But I think tripod is a very safe investment to make because tripod, you can sit anywhere in your rooms, right? If you have a tripod, you can sit anywhere and shoot. But if you do not have one, you have to see where you can actually stack those books or other things. Now, few years back, I actually bought a tripod and this was the tripod that I bought. This is a very cheap tripod. I got it for like 170 rupees and it's very super cheap. This is a very cheap and very low quality tripod. But I could manage it a lot. First few videos तो मेरे इसी से shoot किए हैं. So ये वाले पूरे खराब हो चुके. If you see here, you'll see glue because I had to stick all of these things and otherwise this was not in the working condition. I would highly urge you to buy a tripod that is good. That is of good quality. Now the tripod that I use, thanks to my friend, they've gifted me this year itself and I was about to buy it, but they are amazing people who have actually gifted me and I'm so happy for that. The tripod quality is great. It's very sturdy. It's very good quality. It is under 1,000 rupees and I'll leave a link to it in the box below so that you can buy it for yourself in case you're looking for one. So that's there. The next thing that you need is lighting. Now by lighting I do not mean that you need string lights or artificial lights. So I'm not using any artificial light right now. The only light that I'm using right now is the natural light which is coming from this side and that's pretty much it, and I think the lighting is pretty good, so that will work. You do not really need ring light. However, if you want ring light, I also have one for you. So I got this one for 400 rupees. This is a normal ring light for 400 rupees. It's not the best quality again, but it works. But I guess natural lighting se kaam ban jayega guys, okay? Now the next thing is your backdrop. Now backdrop is also very important. By important, I do not mean that you need to make it very aesthetic and very beautiful. It's necessary, no. Just try to sit in front of a wall that's plain. So I have a lot of wallpapers in all my rooms, so I kind of sit in front of these and these are really good. So it kind of looks good to me, so this works. Backdrop is an important part, but a plain wall also works. Now the next thing is a mic. Now I do not have mic, but I'm sorry if the sound quality becomes here and there because I'm just showing it to you. So I use this earphones. This is a Bluetooth earphone. I just switch it on and then I speak. I keep it here and then I speak, and the quality seems to be pretty decent. However, this Bluetooth recognizes all the voice around me, so that's the reason I have to always shoot without the fan and without the AC, because it takes the voice of those things as well, and so it sounds kind of bad. But however, sometimes when it's super hot, I do switch on the AC, so you might hear a little sound here and there, but most of the times it's switched off so that you do not face any difficulties. So these are the few things that you need to keep in mind to actually start and film the video. I do all of these on my phone and with these small equipments that I have. Also, I edit on InShot. So InShot is a great application. If you don't have one, you can download it. There's KindMaster, also Video Maker, Viva. There's a lot of different applications as well. However, I use InShot. There's also KindMaster that you can go for. But InShot is a great application. It's very easy to use and you can do a lot of things. And for thumbnails and etc., you can use PixArt and Canva. Canva is another very amazing tool. If you haven't used Canva, you should be using one. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also like the video, and please start your YouTube channel or your blogging career if you want to. Competition बढ़ने वाली है दोस्तों. Please start कर दीजिए. So yeah, having said that, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next time. Till then, bye. Have a great day.
Pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored.